It's funny, I've talked to people. One of my jobs was to recruit experienced financial advisors from other firms. And it's funny because sometimes I think somebody who's been in the business 25 years, they didn't realize that there were six channels of product and service distribution. And that's not something that's taught anywhere either. There are a total of six. The first is the family office channel. That's a financial firm, typically for a very wealthy family. Then there's the director discount channel, companies like Schwab, Fidelity, TDA, E-Trade. There are others. Great jobs, great high paying jobs when somebody comes out of our program. Then there's the bank channel. There's two parts to that. The really big banks like JP Morgan, and then some of the smaller, more regional banks. Very similar. Compensation in those branches, in those channels is very, very similar. Those first three channels, they're typically W-2, base salary, nice base salary plus a bonus. Then you move into the wirehouses. There's four of those: Morgan Stanley, Merrill Lynch, Wells Fargo, and UBS. Big prestigious names that everybody knows. And then the fifth channel is what we call the GA, General Agency channel, or the life insurance channel. There's many, many companies, many, many different models. And then of course, the largest channel in the industry today is the independent channel. 2,100 firms in the independent channel today, and by far, growing the most over any of the other channels. We're agnostic in terms of what channel our graduates go into. It's funny, everybody that comes into our program says, I want to be in the bank channel, or I want to be in the discount channel because I get a big base salary. And the reality, I'll say 80% say that when they come in. And the reality is that maybe not even half actually go that route. Over half of our graduates are going into the independent channel because they come out with the confidence and the business to write. And so why would they leave all that, that revenue and that income on the table? But again, we're agnostic in terms of what channel our graduate goes into.